Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Pepe update right now. And yes, finally let's talk about Pepe. And I'm going to go on the 4-hour time frame without wasting any time. And I've actually made a Discord account where I've actually created this Pepe channel as well. And yesterday I was talking about Pepe when it was breaking at 11,468, that the Pepe is breaking up. Now 3 or 4 days ago I made a lengthy video talking about 6 different scenarios for Pepe. So in that scenario, I said that, you know what, there's no doubt that I've been talking about this being a head and shoulder. You see, that is a head and shoulder. It is. But it's just a head and shoulder. Its effect isn't really there, because the effect should be there when you break below and then you drop to the downside. This was the first 3 scenarios that I'm just going to repeat again. And it was that when you break down, you may just drop down to the technical target, or break down, retest and go down, or break to the downside, fake out and move up. So what happened instead is the other remaining 3 scenarios is the following: that you broke above, you may just come for the retest, then move higher to that technical target of 14,000, right? Or you just keep climbing and pushing up and actually just go to the technical target. But the thing is that you have already broken above. Now whether you retest and go up, or you just move up here, your stop loss is going to be placed somewhere down at 9,794. Okay, so this is a trade that you may be looking forward to, and that's going to be from there, it's actually a 20%. If it does come down for the retest, however, it's almost a 34% move to the upside. And if you're holding long term, that doesn't really even matter how much you're going to be moving to the upside. So enjoy. The break is up. Okay, my personal choice was that I'm going to see a breakdown. I didn't see a breakdown, but anyways, that was my own personal preferences. What actually happened and what is the reality is that this thing has broken to the upside. Now there is one more thing, and maybe the retest may have happened on the 1-hour time frame, but it actually never happened. Okay, so the break just happened, no retest, no nothing. So that's what's going on right now. You can see that you just broke above, you came down, you're going up, you're coming down, and you probably will just keep on moving up like this all the way to the technical target. And I've seen this so many times with Pepe. Pepe does not really retest anything. It just likes to move up and keeps moving up. Now here's the thing, before I close the video, so let's actually remove that circle from there. And one more last place that you still need to see Pepe crossing is this resistance. Okay, so you may actually see Pepe coming up here, right, going up to 14,000. That's actually very possible, but what you need to see is actually breaking above 14,000, and you are going to see one very big move to 21,000. And this has always been my take. Even when we were trying to break above here, we got rejected, you came down, and you're trying to actually come up and break again. So yep, things are looking good. It's true that Bitcoin is also looking good. And December historically is not a bad month. Okay, December is not a very bad month. And if December does look good, then you may actually see at Pepe breaking above everything and just climbing up and up and up. So why not? I mean, that's going to be absolutely amazing. If you're new, do subscribe, because I'm looking forward to update more videos, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.